just got this ring roller from Harbor Freight, and it broke not even 5 minutes out of the box. High quality, precision machined. Yeah. It's fucking plastic. So much for high quality. So I don't see the sense in taking it back just to get another piece of shit of the same high quality. So I'm gonna fix the one I have because I've got something I need to do and I want to make decent, nice, consistently round rings. So I'm going to look through my storage of stuff and see if I can find something to remake this piece, because I just, to take it back, I think you're only going to get something else that's the same quality plastic. I mean, this is ridiculous plastic. I mean, come on. This is the piece it goes on that screw there, and I mean, if you think about it, the screw's down in the middle, and that puts, say it's in there like that, and you've got a piece of stock out here that you're trying to make around. There's a lot of torque going on this thing. I can't believe they made it out of plastic. It's just fucking ridiculous. So no matter what I do, how jinkety it is going to be stronger than this piece of shit. I got this real thick, heavy plate here that is, ironically, the exact same, and I mean the exact same width as this piece. So I could cut it, drill it, slot it. It's not a real big deal. It's just a lot of drilling. So the holes are pretty big. I've got the drill bits big enough. It's just take forever drilling, because that, you'd step it 2 or 3 times and all that. So I don't really want to mess this plate up because I use it on my press. It's a nice heavy plate. So I'm going to see if I have any like pieces of pipe that I can gusset together or something. That's all, it's just a matter of cutting and trimming the right size and then welding it together. Like I say, anything I do is going to be stronger than this thing was. So hold tight and we'll look and see what I got and see what we come up with. So here's what we got. Got a piece of 3/4 inch water pipe and a piece of 1 inch water pipe. The 1 inch fits over this. This is where it has to go because it'll sit on there and it swings. That's where this piece here swings like that. And then the end of it pushes in here, and that's where it goes out like that. I know this is kind of bits and pieces and it's not all in one solid piece from the beginning, but and then this piece here will go into the 3/4 inch pipe, and this piece will take the place of this end here. The hole is just a little bit small, and when I say a little bit small, when you check it with the calipers, it just don't fit. So I should be able to clearance it with maybe a file, or use the little drum sanding attachment on the Dremel and just buzz out enough to clearance it. So we'll be able to cut them two pieces, get them measured, and then I got this big heavy chunk here that I'll lay in there, and we'll weld him up. Might put 2 pieces in, one on each side or one big one in the middle, I don't know. But either way, we'll weld it all up. And that's that. So stick around, we're going to put it together. Oh, I forgot to mention too that this high quality precision machine knob fell off. So I'll put it back on. We'll see how long it stays on there. I did try a 11/16 socket, 12-point fit over that. So I may put one of them on there and then just tack it in a few spots, and then you can use a ratchet to work the screw butts for that. So I'm gonna do, I'll run her down and we'll give her a shot. We'll see what happens. Clamp her down. But there you go. That's what it looks like. It's from this to that. And I'll do a close-up picture at the end here.